Unboxing this table for me and Noah.
Oh. Oh, Noah, help your brother. It's your table. Yeah, it's very nice. What's it called? It's called the... There you go. Drop it. So this is the brand is called B Toys. It's a lap desk for children. So here's the brand. It's called the B Toys Imagination Station. Tons of storage. So here's the details. Lift up the lid to discover space for supplies. Desk leg doubles as pockets for additional storage. Comes with reusable stickers and a colorful background. Lightweight, easy to grab on the go. So here are the stickers. Here are the legs. So these are the legs. There are 3 legs. And you flip this out and you'll see. So there are some screws here. You might need to screw the bottom piece. So let's flip this over. Okay, so yes, we do need to screw the bottom piece. So this goes here. We got the big piece goes over here. And then we got the pink piece over here. Putting the screws in the holes here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 12 screws.
Here's my imagination
Station. Let's open it up. There you go. Open it and put your stickers. So put your feet over here, Abe. Put your feet inside.
I'll put it on the ground.
Put your stickers. You could put it over here. And then there's some holes here. You can put your colors and pans. Do you like it, Abe? It's so nice. It's so big. So this is our video for today. You like it? Where's your sticker?
My sticker?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in my bag. I keep mine here. Mommy, put it.
That's nice.
What do you want now? Mommy, what was one you wanted to pick?
The bear.
Which one? The big bear. That's my... Okay, you know who wants the tiny teeth. Nice. Okay. Where do you want to put it? Where? Right there. What's sitting? Sitting on here? Yeah. Okay, put him there. Okay.
Let him put it to Naomi. Where do you want to put it, Abe? The sun needs to go here, Abe.
Okay, now
Don't
which
wreck
one
it.
do you want?